We are going to celebrate a Christmas Day. So there is a short speech about a Christmas, how do we celebrate, what all sweets and how do we prepare our houses and what do we do on the Christmas Day. So today first speech is going to say by Asra, what all sweets did Christians make during the Christmas? Yes, Asra.
Good morning, students and all my friends. Today I am going to tell you about the what Christmas sweet that Christian made. What traditional treat that Christian made for Christmas is a fruit cake and apple cake, and another one is a gingerbread cookies. That's it.
Now, the second speech is Mavish. Mavish will say, when did Christian go for a Christmas mass?
When Christians go to a Christmas mass, Christians go to Christmas mass on 24th December in 24th December or on a Christmas day, or 25th December on the midnight. Thank you.
This was the way how the Christians celebrate the masses at the midnight of 24th and the morning on the 25th. So now Neha will say, who is Jesus? Neha.
Jesus is believed to be the Son of God. It is born from Mary. Jesus performs various miracles like healing the sick, raising the dead, and Jesus taught us to love the God, love the neighbors, and love God.
So now Haifa will say the speech of why do Christians celebrate Christmas Day on 25th. Haifa.
Good morning. Today I am going to speak about why Christians celebrate Christmas Day on 25th of December. Christians celebrate Christmas Day on 25th of December to commemorate the birth of Jesus Christ, to consider the Son of God in their faith. All thought the birth of Jesus Christ is not known. Early Christians choose the date of birth Jesus, likely aligning the winter solstice, starting service. Likely aligning the winter solstice to celebrate the pagan culture, to celebration of the pagan culture. Likely aligning the winter solstice to celebration of the pagan culture, symbolizing arrival of the light of the God Jesus. Thank you.
This how the Christmas is celebrated because of Jesus Christ is born. Okay. Now Kamni ji will say why Santa is related to a Christmas. Kamni ji.
Good morning, children. How are you? Fine. Do you know why is Santa there in Christmas? Because according to Christmas tradition, Santa is alive and he's staying in the North Pole with his wife. He's preparing beautiful gifts for children. The children write them letters and he comes in the Christmas Eve to distribute. And he distributes the gifts secretly. The gifts are symbol of delight and joy. And do you know, children, why is the clothes of Santa red? Because Saint Nicholas in the olden days had made the painting of Santa. He had seen Santa, so the Santa was of red clothes and red caps. So people follow the tradition. Thank you.
Story. Do you know what is the name of Santa? It's a Nicholas. So Santa wears a red and white costumes. Okay. And for the next speech, Mac will say what do a Christmas tree represent.
Good morning, everyone. Today I'm here to speak about what does the Christmas tree represent. Christmas tree is a symbol of joy and happiness. It's like a big hug from Santa and our family. Christmas tree represents cheer and happiness to our family. Thank you. Wish you a Merry Christmas.
Pritika will say, what do bells symbolize in Christmas?
Good morning, children. Bells symbolize to announce the Jesus Christ when Jesus Christ was born. And for the new year, it was bell was rung.
Message, why bell is symbolized for the Christmas? Because the Jesus Christ was born and that time the bell was rang. And now Ikra will going to say what is the significance of red and white for the Christmas.
Good morning, children. I am going to say what is the symbols of red and white color. So, as we heard red color, so we remember Santa. Santa wear red and white cloth. So red represent the color of joy, love, and happiness. White represent innocence, purity, and peace. Thank you.
So the remaining speech is how long did Christmas is celebrated. The Christmas is celebrated for the 12 days. After the 25th of December till New Year we are celebrating Christmas Day. As well as in December 1st to New Year we are celebrating a Christmas and New Year both. And now the second is why Christians put stars outside the doors and outside the windows. Because it's signifying the Jesus Christ was born. At the past we going to see when Jesus Christ was born, that time the stars was up in the sky. So 3 wise men was following that stars as a navigation, and they followed that stars and they reached at the birthplace of the Bethlehem. The significance of these stars is Jesus Christ was born on Bethlehem, and the symbolize of stars are hope in peace and goodness of grace. Thank you. Carol singing for the Christmas. So Ikra, Mehak and Haifa and Kamniji and I are representing joy to the world.
Joy to the world, the Lord is come. Let earth receive a King. Let every heart prepare his room. And heaven and nature sing, and heaven and nature sing, and heaven and nature sing.
Now dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. All the fields we go, riding on the way. Bells and bushes ring, making the spirits high. Oh, what fun it is to ride and sing and sing songs tonight.
Jingle bell, jingle all the way. Santa Claus is coming around, riding on the way. Hey, jingle bell, jingle all the way. Santa Claus is coming around, riding all the way. Thank you.
Thank you.
Second song is now the second carol song is Feliz Navidad. It is in Spanish, but we are singing the song in English and Hindi.
Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, Prospero and Felicidad. We wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. We wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. We wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, Prospero and Felicidad.
And this is all the wood decoration which all are
Our colleagues,
classmates has done all the hard works and everything. You can see all the bells. Kamni ji has done this, all the Christmas trees. Mehak, the snowman. Ikra has made the candies, and this is made by me. And this a teamwork. This is made by Haifa, and this cute balls is made by Soda. And this bells is made by Neha. And this all the and oh your reindeers
made by
and Santa as made by Ashra. This wall hanging this made by Mavish. It's very wonderful as I accept from the Mavish. Thank you Mavish. And here is a Santa, a cute little Santa.